Hi there, this is Daisy. Today I'm gonna show you how to add friends in one click with JarveePro. We're in this campaign of Facebook. Let's go to settings, select accounts, and this is my settings of the last campaign. Now we can select Firebox to import my file because these URLs are already used. Okay, I selected. And the number of friends to add per account for the recording. Maybe we will add 4 for each task. Then 5 for each account. Then 5 accounts should add for double 5, 20 accounts in total. Now we set the task. Let's go to this file. I'm going to show you this file. This is separated by enter like this. Now let's go to run the task. From here you can see the campaign. One thing to notice is that when we select the URL, you need to choose. Like some URL has the button to add a friend, but some does not have the button. Maybe this one. So when it does not have the button, it will fail. And that's one thing we should notice. Now let's go to the task. The app is the latest logs for this campaign. So it's running the campaign of add friends automatically. Takes a bit. Usually you don't need to sit here and check yet. See, requested. You just run it on a VPS or on another PC and do your own step. This one will fail because it cannot add you as a friend, but we will send a request it. So there's a notice to let you know that it may fail because we're not sure if they will accept the friend request, right? So we're success in 4 now. We got 1 failed. And we have interval time here. Account is waited. We're waiting for the account. when background comes out. Now we have 4 browsers here. Let's wait for you to click the Add Friend button. So the speed, it varies, depends on your network. Requested, we're waiting for the last one. Now we got 7 success. It's success long. Another round. While waiting for the campaign, you can go to set up another campaign and waiting for the result. Maybe if you don't have the post links, you don't need to go to the group and save it one by one. You can search post by search user by keyword, or you can search user friends. For example, if we go to this one, we can use this account to search user, like maybe 10 user, or okay, 19. How many keywords I used to search? We can add keywords here, maybe Facebook. So we add 2 keywords. We will use 2 keywords to search, and then we will save the search results to local. We can select file path here. Let's add a new one. Okay, new text documents. We can select this one, empty first, then save. And okay, click OK. Yeah. So when you're running one campaign, you don't need to wait there and stare at the browser. Just leave it and do other campaign for the settings. And if you set up all the campaigns, you just select all and click run to run all. Let's go to our campaign. So I select 5 accounts to add the 4 users. it should get 20 results. Now we got 17, 19 now, I guess. Yeah, still more to come. One more. So when you select Facebook, these campaigns are listed down here, and you can check each one of them or some of them, depends on your purpose. So yeah, that's all. We don't need to wait here. That's how I show you the campaign, how to add friends. Okay, we got results 2 failed and 18 success. I think the rate is okay. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos coming up. Thank you. Have a good day. Okay, I need to end it here.